Good morning, this is Captain Tinsley, Salty Abandon with a Salty Quickie. This is the view from my hotel room in St. Pete, and this is the marina that I'll be bringing the boat to today. Got a text last night from Andre, the electrician, and he's making some last minute adjustments to the inverter. He was getting an error message yesterday. He said don't rush out to the boat this morning, but hopefully I'll be checking out of the hotel and heading over to the boat yard and bringing the boat here, which is not very far, and I'll be staying on the boat tonight. Scott's flying in tomorrow. I rented a car, drove here from Gulf Shores with some items, some things to put on the boat, be turning in the rental car. And we're going to be staying here for a couple of days, 2-3 days, just to make sure everything is working, everything's good. I'm going to be doing a video with Andre the electrician because put on some exciting electronics onto the boat. So I'm going to be doing a video with him for the channel, but also to remember how to use it. I did that with my last boat. When I bought it, I was new to solar power, wind turbine, inverter, all that stuff. So I did a video and he showed me how to use everything, and I referred back to it often. So I'm going to be doing that with Andre. It's be very exciting. And so stay tuned. Hopefully my next video will be from the boat as I'm bringing it over to this marina from the boat yard, which won't take long. Once I get on the boat and once they splash it. Very exciting. The day has finally come. Talk to you soon. Salty Abandon out.